Where are we, Rand?
We just made it to our Airbnb in Darwin. I'm pretty excited about it. It's a lot bigger than a hotel. Some of you guys have asked me to do tours of some of the Airbnbs that we're staying in, so I'm gonna show you guys around this cool Airbnb. It has this entryway, tastefully decorated, some faux monstera right there, and a coat rack. I don't know why you would need a coat in Darwin, but this is the first bedroom, which is right off the entryway. The sheets are kind of fun. Ooh, a vacuum. I love.
The woman, the vacuum cleaner.
I got. I can't even tell this story without laughing. When we got to Strasbourg in France, we checked in and the host was showing us around the apartment. And he opens this closet and he's like, for the men, and it's like a bunch of like kettlebells and stuff, and then he goes, for the woman, and he points to a vacuum cleaner. So sexist. Looks like they gave us some extra blankets and stuff.
Extra limit.
A cool kookaburra hanging.
Kookaburra.
Yeah. A whole laundry room. Laundry rooms are a treat with Airbnb. They really are. So awesome. And especially dryers. So many places do not have dryers. It's like a United States thing usually. They don't have them in Europe. Did they have them in Asia? I don't think they had them in Asia. They don't really have them here either. Vacuum one.
Ooh, pretty fancy.
Yeah, it's nice.
Look at that shower head.
Like the little rainbow shower head.
The kitchen.
A whole kitchen. We haven't had a large kitchen in so long. We've been staying mostly in studio apartments.
Why don't you show off, the various things that come with it, right? Like a
fancy four-slice toaster.
Four-slice toaster.
A microwave. Some places don't have microwaves. And an oven. That's a treat. I would say like half the places we see.
What else we got?
A nice glass top to top.
No dishwasher, that's disappointing. But that's what I got you for, babe.
Oh, thanks. You're so sweet. They left us soaps and insect killer, and I guess we'll see if this place has insects. It seems fairly clean.
Do we have a French press?
I don't know about that. We have a hot water maker and a coffee maker though. Did it come with pods? Some places leave you tons of coffee pods.
Tons of coffee pods? Wait,
I actually really don't like Nespresso though. I think it's pretty gross.
Yeah.
Like the coffee always comes out super watery.
Yeah.
But they left us an arrangement of teas.
Let's get a close-up of those teas.
I'm not seeing a French press yet.
Oh,
Empty
wow.
cabinet, so we have a place to put our food. It might be up here. Empty cabinet. This is weird that this is somebody's apartment, because if this is my apartment, it would be just like filled with stuff.
It might be a holiday home.
That's true.
They just got the basics.
Yeah, this is somebody's apartment that's in the UK because of COVID right now. Did they leave something? A real sized trash can. They left us snacks. I love snacks. And condiments. It's nice.
Oh.
I don't think I would use their jam though.
I know, but look at this cheese.
Tasty cheese.
They left us cheeses.
They call the cheese here tasty for some reason. It's for cheddar. And Tim Tam. We can do a Tim Tam slam.
Sounds like drugs.
Oh. They left us ice cream.
No way.
Opened ice cream.
Not just ice cream, but Coles brand ice cream.
You know that's gonna be delicious. I mean, how Darwin is that?
Hey Darwin, let's get a close up.
Beer
Put it next to your
cozies.
face and go like.
Nice countertops.
Real brand.
I mean, it's not the newest apartment. Look at that damage right there. Look at all the cabinets. A nice little couch that I'm probably gonna be too allergic to. This is cute.
Ooh,
I feel like, I think it's tastefully decorated.
Tasteful.
Tasteful.
Hey, look, a black coffee too.
I love them. They're so cute.
Brandy loves black cockatoos.
I do.
And wait. You gotta take them on the balcony.
Okay. This is the, ooh, I like that. Mad. A little noisy. Oh, these are so cute. And I have the sulfur crested cockatoo pillows. Those are pretty cute.
This is our hotel from last time.
That's the hotel they dumped us in, and it was dark. I don't know. But the balcony's huge. This place is air conditioned, which is really nice. Ooh, some books and stuff.
Oh, and that Wi-Fi system.
These are kind of cute.
We can listen to some CDs, babe.
And this is the second bedroom, and I'm really happy that it doesn't face, there's a major road like right out there, so.
Another kookaburra.
Another kookaburra, some more cute bedding.
You want to lay on the bed and look sexy? Like, yeah, you're really enjoying this.
Another shower, this one's smaller bathroom. Is there a door? Pocket door. No, it's dark.
That's right.
How cute is it?
Dining area.
I like it. It's roomy. We have, what, 2.5 weeks here?
Yeah.
Yeah. How's that Cole's ice cream? Pretty decent. Yeah, that's our Airbnb. That's what it's like. We move every few weeks normally.
Nomadic lifestyle.
Nomadic lifestyle.
That's you right there. Look at all those
We don't
bags.
usually have this bag or these shopping bags. We only have that because we're doing a road trip instead of our normal travel style. If you guys want to see any of our future Airbnbs or see what else we get up to, hit the subscribe button. And that's it. Bye.